If you've ever found yourself waiting for payday but needing cash before it actually arrives, EarnIn could be the financial solution that changes the way you manage your income. This app is designed to give you access to the money you've already earned but haven't yet been paid, providing a much needed alternative to traditional payday loans or high interest credit options. The idea behind EarnIn is simple. Why should you have to wait days or even weeks for your hard earned paycheck when you've already worked for the money? By offering an on-demand pay system, EarnIn lets you access a portion of your wages at any time before payday, and it's become incredibly popular with millions of users. The sign-up process is quick and easy. All you need to do is link your bank account, verify your identity, and confirm your employment, which takes just a few minutes. Once you're set up, you can start accessing your earnings immediately. The app allows you to cash out up to $150 per day, with a cap of $750 per pay period, making it an excellent option for those times when you need cash between paychecks, but don't want to get caught in the cycle of high interest loans or credit cards. What's especially appealing is that there are no mandatory fees or interest rates attached to the service, which is a welcome relief compared to many other payday advanced products. Instead of a flat fee or interest, EarnIn operates on a tipping model where you can choose to pay what you feel is fair, even if that's $0. This system adds a level of flexibility and transparency that many users appreciate, as it gives them control over how much they want to pay for the service. One of EarnIn's standout features is the ability to access your paycheck up to 2 days early. If you need your funds a little sooner than your usual payday, you can choose the lightning speed transfer option for a small fee of just $2.99 per transfer. This feature is particularly useful for those unexpected expenses that arise in the days before payday, such as medical bills, car repairs, or a forgotten utility bill. For those who are comfortable waiting until the scheduled payday, you can access your funds at no extra cost, which gives you the flexibility to choose between getting your money early or waiting for free. The ability to get paid earlier can really make a difference in how you manage your monthly budget and avoid unnecessary overdraft fees. In addition to on-demand pay, EarnIn also offers a useful credit monitoring feature. This allows you to access your Vantage Score 3.0 from Experian for free and track your credit score without the risk of a hard pull, which could negatively affect your credit. This is a great bonus for those who want to keep an eye on their credit and stay informed about any changes that might impact their financial future. The credit score monitoring tool gives you a clear picture of your credit health by showing you your score, credit usage, open accounts, and payment history. EarnIn even sends you alerts for any changes, which can help you catch fraud or errors in your credit report before they become bigger issues. While it's an additional feature that some users might not initially need, it's a nice value-added service that makes EarnIn even more useful. Security is a major concern for anyone using a financial app, and EarnIn does a great job of keeping your data safe. The app uses the latest encryption technology to protect your personal and banking information, and it promises never to sell your data to third parties. This level of commitment to security is something that should be taken seriously in today's digital age, where data breaches and fraud are becoming increasingly common. Like, if you ever have any concerns or issues, EarnIn offers excellent customer support that's available every day of the week. Their team strives to respond to questions within minutes, making it easy to get help when you need it most. However, while EarnIn offers many benefits, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. First, the app is only available to US residents, which makes it inaccessible for people living in other countries. Furthermore, not all US states are eligible for the early payday feature, so if you live in Connecticut, the District of Columbia, or Maryland, you won't be able to take advantage of this perk. Additionally, while the maximum amount you can withdraw per day and per pay period might be enough for most people, those with larger financial needs might find the $150 per day and $750 per pay period limits restrictive. If you need more than that, you'll either have to wait until the next pay period or look for a different financial product. Another consideration is the lightning speed transfer option. While the $2.99 fee is reasonable for accessing your funds instantly, it might not be the best option for everyone. If you're able to wait for your paycheck to land in your account on the scheduled payday, then there's no need to pay the expedited transfer fee. However, if you find yourself in a financial pinch and need the money right away, you'll have to factor in that small cost. While EarnIn's tipping system is a great way to avoid mandatory fees, some users might still feel uncomfortable with the idea of paying for the convenience, even if the fee is optional. Customer experience is where EarnIn truly shines. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to track your earnings and manage your cash flow. The process of linking your bank account and setting up direct deposit is straightforward, and once you're set up, you can begin accessing your wages immediately. The transparency of the app, particularly when it comes to showing your available earnings and how much you've already cashed out, is something that sets it apart from other financial apps that can feel like a black box when it comes to your money. You'll always know where you stand financially and have a clear picture of how much you can access at any given time. In conclusion, EarnIn is a fantastic tool for those who need access to their earnings before payday and want a way to avoid overdraft fees and payday loans. It's a simple, effective, and flexible solution for managing cash flow between paychecks. The app's tipping model, credit monitoring feature, and strong security measures make it a standout in the financial app space. Whether you need a small cash advance, want to get paid earlier, or simply want to keep an eye on your credit, EarnIn offers a range of features that can help users stay on top of their finances without the stress of waiting for payday. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and need a bit more flexibility in how you manage your money, EarnIn is definitely worth checking out.